All right, dudes, what do you have there?
Batgirl.
Batgirl? That's pretty cool. Should we open it up? All right, can you bring it over here?
It's an Imaginext Batgirl.
All right, what do we have here? DC Super Friends. Imaginext Batgirl. Cool, look at that. Let's look at the back. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at all that cool stuff. All right, let's open this up. All right, we have her motorcycle, purple and yellow. The wheels. All right, cool. Alright, and then here we have Batgirl with her yellow hands and boots. Well, gloves, I guess. And her purple suit. That's pretty cool. Her arms move.
The legs do too.
They do?
Yep.
Yeah, they do. And her black mask here. That's pretty cool. Just a black and like yellow gold.
Let's put her on the motorcycle. Let's put her on the motorcycle.
Okay, why don't you do that? And here's her bullet for her motorcycle. That's pretty cool. Okay, you putting her on there? You gonna shoot the bullet? How do you shoot it?
I can't get that's instructions.
Oh, that's cool.
Look, there's a SpongeBob on it.
Cool. All right, you have her on your bike. How about you show us how it shoots? Whoa!
Yes,
How do you do that? Is there a button on the side?
this.
Right there. Where's that? That gray button? Oh, cool.
The yellow one doesn't push it.
Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool, huh, guys? You like the Batgirl? All right.